Hello. To check the Bosch electrical equipment in a Volvo car, you probably very often need a test lamp, especially to check the Bosch alternator. Today, we'll be making this simple but very useful device that can be used to check the electrical systems in old cars, especially like my Volvo. I need completely disassemble all the parts of the bulb socket. To the bulb socket, we must solder the wire. Clean the surface of which we'll solder the wire. To be honest, I don't know much about soldering, but I think that the surface should be absolutely clean. To prepare the surface for soldering the wire, I use pine juice. When the pine juice melts, it gives a smell. I think that the smell of pine is not dangerous. So as not to burn the bulb socket, I hold with pliers. To solder the wire, we need tin. First, we need to cover the surface of the socket with tin. The soldering iron is hot enough to do it well. Dear friends, see how well tin melts. It is very interesting to watch how the metal melts. With zoom you can see it better. The surface is well tinned and is ready for soldering the wire. With one hand I will hold the wire, and with other hand I will hold the soldering iron. The most interesting to attach the wire. Here we have to be very careful not to spoil the wire insulation. Now I need to install all the parts of the socket in its places. And of course install the bulb itself. Test lamp ready. Pine juice easily washed with alcohol. We can put our beautiful lamp in a cardboard box. I think that today's work was very useful. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye for now.